Food technology, 3D printing. This comes from a newsletter from Peter Diamandis. Peter is an incredible visionary, and he is one of the co-founders, I think, with Ray Kurzweil of Singularity University. He wrote bestseller Bold. I think he also wrote Abundance, and I believe he's behind the X Prize as well. He's an incredible, interesting person. So he has a number of different technologies. I'm going to tackle them one at a time. But I want to read you from his newsletter about printing food. This is fascinating. It reads, 3D printing has already produced profound impact on the manufacturing sector. We're not able to print in hundreds of different materials, making anything from toys to houses to organs. However, we are finally seeing the emergence of 3D printers that can print food itself. Redefined Meat, an Israeli startup, wants to tackle industrial meat production using 3D printers that could generate meat, no animals required. The printer takes in fat, water, and 3 different plant protein sources, using these ingredients to print a meal for fiber matrix with fat and water, thus mimicking the feature and flavor of real meat. So you thought Impossible Foods was incredible or Beyond Meat. Getting your meat 3D printed is another step beyond that. Then the newsletter continues. Slated for release in 2020 at a cost of $100,000, their machines are rapidly demonetizing and will begin by targeting clients in industrial scale meat protection. Anok 3D aims to take this process a step further. 3D printing meals that are customized to your medical records, health data from your smart wearables, and patterns detected by your sleep trackers. The company plans to use multiple extruders for multi-material printing, allowing them to dispense each ingredient precisely for nutritionally optimized meals. Currently in research and development phase at the Nanyang Technical University in Singapore, the company hopes to have its first tests in 2020. So it's just incredible. I'm just commenting on this post that food is basically becoming digital science. It's just like how media and other fields were digitized. Food is becoming digitized as well, and on demand, and personalized. So it continues in the newsletter. These are only a few of the many 3D food printing startups springing into existence. The benefits from such innovations are boundless. Not only will food 3D printing grant consumers control over the ingredients and mixtures they consume, but it is already beginning to enable new innovations in flavor itself, democratizing far healthier meal options and newly customizable cuisine categories.